Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook notifications are not working. If you are using any iPhone or any Android and you're facing the issue that your Facebook notifications are not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app. Here, go to apps section, then look for Facebook app, then select notifications, and you have to make sure that you have enabled all the settings from here. You can see there's a allow notifications, then lock screen, notification center, also for banners, sounds, badges, and everything you find here. You just have to try to enable them. Then go to Facebook notification settings, and here, if you're looking for any specific notifications, you can enable that from here. Just comments, tags, reminders, and after all, everything you can manage for your notifications from here. If you're still facing the same issue, so I recommend you have to try to update your software to prevent any kind of software glitch. Open your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find this, try to update your app. So after updating, your issue must have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your Facebook or App Store app, go for search and search for Facebook. And you just have to make sure that your Facebook app is up to date. Just any pending update for your Facebook app. If you find this, try to update your app. So after updating, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so try to make a force restart with your iPhone or with your Android phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, that's the only way. You just have to open your settings app, then go to general, go to iPhone storage here, just look for Facebook app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So once your app has been offloaded or deleted, you just have to try to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.